Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, reading ito for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. By the way, if you want, pwede akong mag-astrological reading. May available ako ngayon. Limited time offer lang, guys. Until August lang to, no? Mga September, hindi na ulit to available. Astrological reading, if you want me to read your natal chart, gusto mong malaman kung saan mo mamimit yung future husband and wife mo, or regarding with your career, ano yung mga magbibigay ng accomplishment sa yung career. And also may kasama yung tarot advice. Ang nakalagay doon, screenshot mo na lang ha, yung kanina. Meron na tayong GCash. So, message mo na lang yung pinaka-Gmail na nakalagay doon. Let's start what we have here for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Sana mag-comment ka sa baba, kahit po heart-heart lang, is smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Okay, let's start your reading. What we have here for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Queen of Wands, Eight of Coins, and Seven of Coins. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Bottom of the deck, you do have here the Three of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay. I feel like may mga bagay kang unti-unti nang tinatapos or inaayos ngayon. Maybe in the past, hindi mo masyadong pinagtuunan ng pansin ito. And I feel like with the Seven of Coins, may mga something na pinaghirapan mo ang mababalik sa'yo, or maybe something na nawala sa'yo ang pwedeng mababalik sa'yo. So maybe if you have lost especially money or material things in the past, pwedeng mabalik ito. Hindi man yun mismo, pwedeng in other way, sa ibang paraan, no? For example, ikaw ay na-scam or nanakawan or may umutang sa'yo, hindi ka binayaran. Nakakita tayo dito ng money na babalik sa'yo, ay na pwedeng hindi man yon mismo, ay sa ibang paraan may babalik ito sa'yo. I mean, you have to manifest this. This is really beautiful. Lalo na malaki ang maitutulong nitong Eight of Coins, which is something na nilalagyan mo ng action ngayon. Malaki ang maitutulong nito because this is opportunity. This is something na dadating sa'yo dahil because it's like there's a talent na pwedeng unti-unti mong naipamalas or nilalabas ngayon, and now this talent ay pwedeng magbalik ng kita or pera sa'yo. So, yeah, this is the right time, especially nagkakaroon tayo ngayon, August 4, new moon, especially na nagkakaroon tayo ng new moon, new beginning, and actually yung new moon na ito ay yung new beginning na yan, pwedeng yung benefits niyan mag-last siya, or ang itatagal niya is up to 6 months. So pwedeng yung kung ano man yung tinatrabaho mo ngayon or sinimulan mong trabahuhin, or mga bagay na ginawa mo in the past, tapos ngayon ay itinutuloy mo na, pwedeng nagkaroon ng delay or hindi pagpansin sa bagay na yon, but then nagkaroon ng pagbabalik at pag-aayos dito for the better, ay pwedeng magbigay ng money, kita sa'yo. And the Queen of Wands is here, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. I feel like nagiging mabenta or nagiging malakas ang atensyon na naibibigay sa iyo ng ibang tao. I really do like this because they are people, there are people, especially if you do have clients, nagiging matunog ang pangalan mo sa iba or sa lahat. Like a lot of people are talking about you right now. And pwedeng these people are maybe ignoring you in the past. So maybe if these are customers, clients ignoring you in the past, this time pwedeng hindi ka nila i-ignore or hindi ka nila mapansin. Lalo na sa mga ginagawa mo ngayon and sa mga talents na ipinapakita mo ngayon. So pwedeng hindi ka nila mapansin. The Three of Swords is here, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Kung ano man yung mga heartbreaks, heart pain na naramdaman mo in the past, ito yung nagbibigay ng kalakasan sa'yo ngayon. Kumbaga, of course, lahat ng mga trials, lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo, problema, sakit na pinagdaanan mo, ngayon mas malakas, mas matibay, mas matalino ka na ngayon. Okay? I really do like this energy. Anyway, ano ang mga messages sa'yo pagdating sa love? You do have here the Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups, Five of Cups is also here. Page of Cups, ayan. Bottom of the deck is the Chariot. Ayan, tas meron pa tayo ditong Three of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is, a person na pwedeng ginawa kanyang option in the past. And then this person is currently sad right now. Nalulungkot siya, nasasaktan siya. Why? Because the Chariot, you are living, you are, umiiwas, lumalayo, umaalis, or hindi mo siya pinapansin. So, ngayon, nasasaktan ng taong to. The Page of Cups is here. Maybe has something to do with children. Maybe has something to do with you na may naramdaman siya, sa'yo na may kinalaman sa child. I don't know, something to do with child. But some of you pwedeng wala naman if you don't have a child or ang person na ito. Or with the Three of Wands, this person is missing you. Namimiss ka niya ngayon, nalulungkot siya ngayon, ginawa ka niyang option noon. Pero nung umalis ka, lumalayo ka, umiiwas ka, the Chariot, the person here with the Page of Wands is missing your company, you're missing your messages, missing your, the way you express yourself in the past. And I don't know, something to do with child or a family. Or maybe if you have a child, kung may anak ka, you're a single mom, single dad, or whatever, pwedeng yung anak mo gusto niyang makita ulit picture, video, or personal. This person wants to see that child. So pwedeng, lalo na if this is an ex-wife, ex-husband, pwedeng this person, ano siya ngayon nai-stress siya, nalulungkot siya, nasasaktan siya. Not only ikaw ang namimiss niya, but also the child na involved sa inyong dalawa. So what will happen in the future for the both of you? For the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra, messages for you in the future. Justice card is here. This is you, Libra. The Hermit, Virgo energy, dalawang major arcana. Ace of Wands, Eight of Swords, and the High Priestess. Okay. Wait lang, guys. Ayusin ko yung upuan ko. Okay. Anyway, so from what I can see here, in the future, there's this energy of the Justice card and the Hermit card, wherein this is yun na nagiging mas perfectionist in the near future pagdating sa career. Justice, I mean the Hermit is Virgo energy, being perfectionist pagdating sa career, which is the Justice card, something legal. And the Ace of Wands, I can see new beginnings pagdating doon. Eight of Swords pagdating sa usaping spiritual. I mean, if you do feel like may spiritual connection kayo ng person mo, I feel like with the Eight of Swords, I mean, there's this stuck energy or stagnant, walang kagalaw-galaw. I feel like you will be more you will be more, silent, or, I don't see any movement or words na sinasabi or ginagawa towards this person. I feel like you will be more, pwedeng with regards sa person na ito, hinahayaan mo lang siya na danasin niya yung karma. I can see a person facing this karma. And then, pwedeng ikaw, hahayaan mo lang siya. Parang wala ka nang masasay doon, wala ka nang pakialam. Maybe in the past, may pakialam ka. Iniisip mo na sana karma yung tao to, or sana maranasan niya yung mga naranasan, kumalungkot din siya, etc. But now, parang wala ka nang pakialam. This is you na parang ayaw mo na lang mag-talk, ayaw mo na lang magsalita, okay? In the future. Why? Because nasaktan ka with the Three of Swords, and especially if there's a third person na involved, kung maghahayaan mo na lang siya na magising sa katotohanan at ma-realize yung mga kamalian niya or yung mga choices niya. Okay? So, that's your energy. Well, okay lang yun. Tama yun. Tama yung ginagawa mo. I don't see anything wrong with it. Kasi, wag mo na lang pakialam yung tao na, pakialaman yung tao, di ba? Na pinarana sa'yo na parang wala siyang pakialam sa'yo. Bakit mo iisipin pa itong taong ito? Di ba? Be honest with yourself. You don't deserve na mamblema, ma-stress, mag-isip sa taong hindi naman nakikipag-connect or communicate ng maayos, or maybe this person hayaan mo na lang na matuto siya sa sarili niyang lesson sa buhay niya. Okay? So, I'm seeing that with the Justice card, you will be more honest person in the future with regards to your children, with regards to your children, with regards to your mga kapatid. I like your energy. You are well open. And if there's anything that you need, kailangan mo, nakikita natin na nagiging open at honest ka pagdating doon. Okay? Thank you for watching. Also guys, watch your health. Libra, I can sense that some of you pwedeng maiba yung diet or maiba yung iyong health, and you need to, focus on making yourself better. And if you do have routine, mas maganda kung itutuloy-tuloy mo yun or ipupush mo na dagdagan yung routine mo para mas maging maayos, mas maging maganda ang iyong health. So anyway, thank you for watching. I love you all guys, and bye-bye.